So the first method of sociological study is social survey method. The word survey has been derived from two words, sur or sor, meaning over, and where or where, meaning see or appearance. The literary meaning of survey is to see over something from a high place. Seeing something from a high place so that everything is view. A word view comes into being. Bird view, I am saying. Social survey method is an important method used in the study of social problems, and this method is used to study social problems. According to Mark Abrahams, a social survey is a process by which quantitative facts are collected about the social aspects of a community's composition and activities. So, social survey is a process where quantitative facts are collected about the social aspects of a community, its composition and its activities. According to A.F. Wells, social survey is a fact-finding study dealing chiefly with working class, poverty, and with the nature and problem of community. So, it is conducted to study the working class, poverty, and the nature and problems of community, all such type of issues. According to Bogadas, the social survey is the collection of data concerning the living and working conditions, broadly speaking, of the people in a given community. How the people in a given community are working, and what are the working conditions for them, and how they are living, are studied by help of social survey. Many sociological problems require the systematic collection of data from population or samples of population. Either the entire population or a sample of the entire population is studied. These studies are usually called surveys, and such type of studies are called surveys, especially when they are concerned with large or widely spread out groups of people. So they are called surveys when a very large group of people are to be studied. If they deal with a fraction of a total population, they are called sample surveys. And when only a part of the total population is studied, then it is called as sample survey. Survey method is used to collect data when a wide geographical area has to be covered. When a geographical area is to be covered, then this method of social survey is applied. A survey consists of asking questions of a representative cross-section of the population at a given point of time. So a representative section of the population is taken into account on a particular point of time, and the questions are asked to them. Social survey method is a method of data collection that utilizes questionnaires or interview schedules for recording the non-verbal behavior of respondents. So in this method, questionnaires and interviews are conducted to collect the data, and it is a non-verbal form of collecting the data on the behavior of respondents. Characteristics of social survey method. Number one, sociological survey is confined to the study of immediate problem of society, that is delinquency, crime, etc. The problem that is existing or the problem that is to be studied about are the main objective of the survey method. It deals with a representative sample of the population, and a representative sample of the population is taken into account to study. It usually involves many respondents. There are a number of respondents and they are to be studied, they are to be interviewed, questionnaires are to be prepared for them. It seeks responses directly from the respondents. All the responses come directly from the respondents, the persons who are expected to answer them. It usually involves many respondents. A large number of respondents are there. It is conducted in the natural settings. In natural settings, no artificial or some propagated settings are being made. Whatever it is, on the basis of that only the survey is conducted. The interference will be made from the sample to the total population, and whatever your results have been obtained from the sample, that will be interferred to be applicable on all the population. Its geographical scope is sufficiently limited, and the geographical scope of it is limited. It is a cooperative effort of the researcher and respondent. Both the researcher and the respondent both cooperate with each other to give the exact results. It is a scientific method as it is based on methodology. So there is a proper methodology, therefore it is called a scientific method. The facts collected in a survey may form the basis of further investigation on the matter. Then whatever facts have been collected by conducting the survey, on the basis of those facts, a detailed investigation is made on that particular aspect or that particular social matter. Objects of surveys. Number one, supply of information of any problem. Whatever problem is being studied or any problem can be studied and information can be gathered by doing survey method. Explanation of a phenomena. A particular phenomena is explained by the help of survey method to make suggestions for constructive programs in solving different problems, and it helps in giving suggestions or methods of dealing with some problems that the society is facing. Kinds of social survey. Social surveys are of different kinds, such as direct or indirect survey, census survey or sample survey, primary or secondary survey, initial or repetitive survey, official, semi-official or private surveys, a widespread or limited surveys, public or confidential survey, postal or personal survey, regular or ad hoc survey. Steps of social survey. This method involves the following steps in the process of collection of data. Number one, definition of the purpose of objects. First of all, the purpose of the study is defined. Number two, definition of the problem to be studied. Then the problem that is to be studied is also defined. The analysis of the problem to be studied. Then how the study will be conducted. An analysis is done on it. Then the next step is the delimitation of the area of scope. What will be the area of scope? That is how out of a particular population, who will be the persons who will be selected for the study under the survey method. Then the field work. The persons will go and they will do the job on that particular place where the survey is being conducted. Then examination of all documentary sources. All documentary sources existing will be examined. Then arrangements, tabulation and statistical analysis of the data. Whatever data has been collected, that data will be arranged systematically. It will be tabulated and some statistical tools or techniques will be applied to analyze the data. Then the interpretation of the results. After the proper analysis of the data, the results will be calculated, and then these results will be journalized. Means whatever facts have been found, those facts will be taken into account and the reports will be prepared, and whoever wants to know about it, that authority or that person will be given the report. Now the significance of social survey method. Number one, this method permits greater objectivity. Greater objectivity is permitted by this method. Number two, it is used to describe the attitudes and beliefs, motives and behavior of relatively large number of people. A large number of people are studied. Therefore, whatever are the attitudes, the beliefs, the motives and behavior can be studied by help of this method. It is used to get information on the values, attitudes and behaviors of individuals in different groups of population. Then this method provides an opportunity to have direct contact with the people whom we study, and we can directly contact the people whom we are studying by help of this method. Limitations of social survey. Heavy amount of money is needed for conducting survey. Survey is a prolonged and time-consuming process. A large amount of money is required. It is a time-consuming process. There will be bias of the field worker. The person who is conducting it, he may be biased towards a group or towards a community or towards an individual. The reliability and validity of data is not always without doubt, and there are always doubts on the data that has been collected, studied, and thus it becomes unreliable and invalid sometimes.